Hey Mpenzi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be another cooking video. So if you're watching this video during lunch, then you're good. If you're watching this video before lunch or way after lunch, I'm really sorry because we are about to throw down. Anyway, I'm going to Charlene's place. Charlene is my sister-in-law, and we are supposed to try this new kitchen appliance. She got it as a wedding present and she's never used it before, so we're going to see like how it works. So apparently it acts like a microwave of some sort, yeah, but it can cook food. So we're going to see how that appliance works. I'm going to show you guys. I've forgotten what it's called. It's halogen oven, I don't know. I'm going to show you guys when I'm at Charlene's place. We're going to cook steak and I can't wait for you guys to, like, you know, see how we prepare this and how it all comes out. Yeah, I'm hoping that this new kitchen appliance like works for real. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you haven't, it's a red button. Just subscribe and also hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I post a new video.
What you get is what you see, and I bring me.
Seems like it's going to rain. Luckily, my sister-in-law stays 2 minutes away, so even if it rains, it won't really affect me. Guys, so this is the Halogen Convection oven. This part is basically where you set your temperature and where you set your timer. So if you want to use this oven for the very first time, you have to like preheat it so that to kill the germs completely. You set the timer at 5 minutes and the temperature at 250 degrees Celsius. So this is how it looks like when it lights up. After cleansing the oven, we now need to get started. So this is the steak. Charlene marinated it overnight. She used mixed spices, garlic, ginger, and coriander. I'm excited. We're about to throw down. So you carefully and neatly place the steak on the upper rack. So according to the instructions manual, it takes 14 minutes to cook the steak, 7 minutes on each side. So I did the 7 minutes on one side, but I felt like the steak did not cook properly. I like my steaks well done or nearly well done. I don't like too much redness. So the first time I did 7 minutes, that's one side, and the other side I did 10 minutes. Then I added 5 minutes on the first side. Oh my god, this is so confusing. So in total, it took me 22 minutes to cook one piece of steak. I tried one piece because I wanted to see whether the oven works for real. I didn't want to ruin any meat, to be honest. So this is the end product. Oh my god, the steak looks so good. So good. Now, let's do the tasting. Hey Mpenzi, so this is the moment of truth. We're going to see whether the steak is cooked or it's not. So this is how the steak is looking. Focus. Yeah. This is how the steak is looking. Well, we'll see. As you can see, it has a little bit of red there, but I don't mind. The steak is cooked. I actually never thought that oven would work, but the steak is really good. So I'm going to cook the rest of the pieces and then I'm going to set the timer at 15 minutes on each side. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.